that we are asking you to play a game for us that we designed. And using this game, you will get to learn a CS concept, which it's like for people who are like kids or maybe who are from non-CS background, computer science background. So we'll explain a CS concept after you play a game. So the whole purpose of the game is learning with fun.
The instructions are, we have designed a galaxy and there are like almost 10 planets in that, and the aim of this game is you have to capture all planets, and there is a fuel cell, okay, and we have assumed that you are traveling it with a spaceship, so you have to reach all the planets with minimum fuel.
And whosoever wins, like whosoever traverses the galaxy with the minimum fuel wins the game. So that's what we are trying to express.
Okay, so
You can
it takes 4 to get here, it takes 2 to get here.
Yeah.
And then we have to try and do all the planets
Yeah, you have to take
This
all
is
the
your galaxy.
with this much fuel.
Yeah.
This is your fuel, that's
So you have to take it apart.
So you can go from this is your fuel, you can capture all the other planets in the
Okay.
galaxy. So this is your fuel.
Interesting, okay. So you go ahead.
So you just need to press the button.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Click on the any planet.
You can click on any planet.
I see.
722 now.
Yeah,
Okay.
Right there?
so you have to complete it before your fuels runs out.
Does it, is there a timer on the fuel?
This is how well you complete the part.
So what do you need?
You have to click the
Okay,
source.
give me a second to figure out this.
This suggests that you
Can I revisit the same planet?
It's like you, from all the planets that are captured, you can go forward.
It's the weight of the.
Either you can go from here to here, I can click on the next one.
Do I have to continue clicking? Wait, so you're saying I can't go back?
Yeah, you have to click on the
Okay.
source because that's how.
But you can move forward from there.
Yeah.
So I can't go here to here to here.
Looking at your field.
This way?
What your field is like. Suppose there's 7 planets in different asteroids.
Oh.
Yeah, so you don't
Oh,
have
crap.
use
Oh,
most of the
okay, I didn't know that.
You can go.
It's like in real life we have, or in real life or in computer science, we have the concept of graph. So in graphs there are nodes which are connected to each other, and each path, each connection have a weight. So in the minimum spanning tree algorithm that is described by Dijkstra or Prims, what it tries to express is that you can traverse this whole graph by choosing the minimum number of minimum weight edges. So in our game, what we try to do is that because you have a galaxy and each planet have a path in between, so you can choose the minimum path and traverse and try to capture all the nodes. So I can explain from here.
Oh, let me explain. You want? Yeah, go ahead. So you all faced some number of asteroids in between. So suppose these are 2 asteroids. So you have to select which one is the minimum. So you will go from here to here, and this is the minimum cost. So for the next step, what do you do is
If you have 3 options, like from here you can go from to here, from this you can go to this or to this, or maybe you can go from here to here. So in life or in computer science, you have different choices to make, different paths to take. So you choose the minimum one, so the total cost of your whole solution is minimum.
But as you move forward, you have to also see if the cost from year to year is lowest, or from year to year is lowest, or from year to year is lowest. So
Like
No, it looks good.
in non-commercial stuff. So like this is also known as a traveling salesman problem. So like you should consider a salesman who has to go to different houses, like 10 houses in a city, and he has to you use minimum. He has to spend less effort, and he has to cover all the houses. So this is what it's like. Instead of salesman, we have a spaceship. Instead of houses, we have planets. That's it.
bobbleheads which are like moving when you click on the source.
Select the source.
There you can go like
That, right?
Select that source.
Here.
And
Sorry.
yeah, it's
Here.
there.
Here.
then I can go to
There
here.
you go.
You capture it.
Okay.
And then you can check your ranking by just pressing.
Yeah, I want to go this way.
It's a good one to tell if you start.
Yeah. So we already had players who played the game and got the results. So yours is 31, right? Pretty darn well.
All good. So how do you determine the ranking?
Yeah.
So it's
We have
like,
implemented an algorithm for
so
that.
it is like all those with the like maximum number of fuel,
Got it.
it gets sorted, and the one with the highest gets to the top.
Is
So
there a
we
way
have
to-
already players who
Yeah.
have played the game, and that's why the ranking chart is like 34 or 23.
Okay.